Hello, I'm Jeroen Pobloma. I'm the director of the Sagalassos excavations in southwest Turkey. At the same time, I teach archaeology at the University of Leuven in Belgium. University of Leuven has decided to sponsor this initiative. The initiative that we're talking about is, of course, our international conference on Roman amphora and the whole question related to their content. Why I am involved is that the organization has actually invited me to provide the concluding remarks to the conference. So I suppose they want some wider reflections on the nature of the economy in which this whole amphora scene is embedded, but also some critical remarks on the way the field is evolving and in which ways we could possibly advance the debate both in methodological terms, in conceptual terms, but mainly in trying to achieve higher historical significance to the work that we do as archaeologists. Thank you.